How are you? Yes, I am also fine here. So today our topic of discussion is cylinder, and you already knowing what is cylinder. This type of shape is called a cylinder. Okay, there will be circular base, and here it will be circular top, and this distance will be perpendicular here. Okay, this distance will be perpendicular here. So this one is called right circular cylinder. Okay, suppose you are having bangles of your mother. Okay, suppose your mother is wearing bangles, so when those same bangles will be arranged in a pattern like this, so they will take the shape of a cylinder only. Okay, so this is called cylinder. This will be in the shape of a different pattern, all the bangles will be the same only, so this is called cylinder. Today we'll discuss about the volume of cylinder here. Okay, so what is the volume of cylinder? See this, volume of a cylinder. Okay, see, this will be the height of the cylinder h, this will be the radius r, both will be the same only. Okay, and volume is equal to, always remember, area into height, area into height here. Okay, what is area? Area is pi r square because it is circular here, and height is h only, so volume of cylinder is pi r square h cubic unit. Okay, there is one more, that is called hollow cylinder. Okay, pipes, these things are called hollow cylinder only. Okay, so let us see that also. This type of figure, is called a hollow cylinder. Okay, and this is called thickness. Okay, this is called thickness of the cylinder here. So see, in this is called r. Okay, and this big one is called, this one is called greater r, and this part is called t, thickness only. Okay, everywhere it will be uniform. So in this case, in that case of hollow cylinder, we used to take volume of material because it is hollow from inside. So you have to take like iron pipe, supply pipes are there where water is being supplied. So like that type of pipe, they are called the hollow cylinder only. So that volume of pipe will be, pipe means material. So volume of material, instead I should write, that is equal to external volume minus internal volume. Clear? External volume minus internal volume. Okay, so it is cylinder. From outside also it is cylinder. I have explained already. That is, external volume is equal to, so volume of material is pi r square. This is the height h, pi r square h minus pi r square h. Height will be the same. What will change? Only the radius. So now what is the relation between these two radius? That you have to understand there. See this. So this is the formula of material used in a hollow cylinder. Now what is the thickness? That means what is the relation between capital R, and that means here is that external radius is equal to internal radius plus thickness. Okay, that means r is equal to small r plus t. These things you have to remember. then you can solve any problem. So 1-2 problem we are going to discuss here. Let us see 1-2 problem here. One questions I am taking from this hollow cylinder only. So let us see how this can be solved. So be ready. Question is saying that, let me write this question on the board here. Question is, the volume of cylindrical pipe is is 748 centimeter square cube, sorry, and its length is 14 centimeter. External radius, and its external radius is 9 centimeter. Then find its thickness. Find its thickness. Okay. So just now I have explained volume of the cylindrical pipe. So solution is that they are saying pipe means hollow cylinder. There only you understand that this is the case of hollow cylinder. Okay. Then what is the volume of hollow cylinder? That is pi r square h minus pi r square h. Okay. Here you have to understand one thing. That means in the case of cylinder, let me erase this question. I think you might have written down this all. Okay. So let me write down the information also. Volume is given how much? That is 748 centimeter cube. Height is given, that is length, and that is 14 centimeter. And what they have given big R, that is external radius, that is 9 centimeter. So this is the information. Let me discuss. Okay. So here we are knowing that we have to find the thickness here. Okay. So we know that solution is that capital R is equal to small r plus t. Okay. So here we can write. So here we can write this. Volume is equal to pi common. H is also that is common only because it is 14 here. From this formula it is r square minus r square here. Okay. So we can write here pi into h. Now r is given there 9. So 9 square is 81 minus r square. Volume is given here how much? 748. Okay. See, this information I have used here. Now I will just solve only. See how it can be solved. So now just solve only like this. 748 is equal to 22 by 7 into 14. This is 81 minus r square. 7 to the 14 here, and this one is 22 3 the 66, and this is 66 and 8 34. That means 17 is equal to 81 minus r square. So that means r square is equal to 81 minus 17, that is equal to 64. So r is equal to under root 64, that is 8 centimeter. We have got capital R 9 centimeter. We have got small r 8 centimeter. So thickness is equal to capital R minus small r, that is 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 centimeter. That is the thickness of that pipe only. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. What is that? How we can find this all? Okay. So you all just try this at your home, and by using this formula you can find the volume of the cylinder. You can now find the volume of the, I have explained the volume of the hollow cylinder also. So apply this and all the questions will be solved only. Thank you class. Thank you very much.